In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to client's Facebook ad account. Facebook Ads Manager tutorial, 5 minutes. This walkthrough shows the exact clicks a client needs to take to grant an external marketer, agency, or team member access to their Facebook ad account. I'll keep it simple, clear, and secure so you never have to share logins or sensitive information. First, log into Facebook Ads Manager on a desktop browser. Make sure you're in the correct ad account before you proceed. If you manage multiple accounts, use the account dropdown at the top to select the right one. It's also best to have admin level access on the client side so you can see all settings. Next, open Ad Account Settings. You can get there from the settings gear or the left-hand menu depending on your interface. Facebook updates layouts from time to time, but you're looking for the settings page specific to the selected ad account. Once you're in settings, go to Ad Account Roles. This section controls who can access the account and what they can do. It's where you'll manage permissions, remove old users, and keep everything compliant with your company's security standards. Now, click Add People. You'll see a prompt to add someone to the ad account. This is the only secure way to give access. Never share passwords. The person you add must have a Facebook profile or a business account tied to the email you'll enter. Enter the person's name or email, then choose the appropriate role. Here's a quick guideline. Admin can manage everything, including billing and permissions. Advertiser can create and edit campaigns and view performance. Analyst can view reports without making changes. Choose the lowest level that supports the work. For most campaign management tasks, advertiser is enough. If you don't see the right contact when you type their name, use the email associated with their Facebook account. If they're part of a company, confirm the email they use for their business tools to avoid delays. Finally, click Confirm. Facebook will send a notification to the person you added. In many cases, access is granted instantly. If an email confirmation is required, they'll just accept the invite and be good to go. To double check, refresh the page and look for their name under Ad Account Roles. You can edit or remove access at any time from the same screen. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll grant secure role-based access without sharing credentials, keeping your account organized and compliant while making collaboration fast and efficient.